Good night, Nick and Claire. As we know, exists a lot of campaigns about water conservation, but we have to start to take action. Every day, I avoid to waste water when I take a shower or every time I use the tap. Also, I take care that the tap is tightly closed. In work, I try to use the less amount of water in every activity that I do. I think that Samarano can reduce the amount of water that they use, starting with irrigation. I believe that this is their biggest problem because they have a lot of lakes or irrigate more time than they should. And we know this because we saw this model. Another thing that they can do is change the toilets with toilets that save water, discharging only the amount necessary for liquids or solid waste, or toilets that use foam. I think too that Samariano have a big responsibility with the communities that are around the campus. Zamorano have to share it with this community because Zamorano can take possession of a natural source and they are families of the scarce resource. It will be perfect if students are involved to create projects and campaigns through models to make conscious and develop different things to help the communities to have clean water and have a good distribution of this service. And they will have more sensibility and conscience about the reality that a lot of people have to do. So this is my recommendation and the things that I do for reduce the waste of water. Good night and